we wanted to invite over Mickey. We are honored. Mickey is the chairman of Tibet Fund, obviously a huge supporter of the Tibetan community, and has been a great supporter for RDTS. So, Mickey.
Thank you very much, and thank you all very much for coming this afternoon. I just want to acknowledge, well, first of all, how great it is to see all of you here today. And it's also really reassuring to see so many Tibetans at an organization meeting like this. I want to acknowledge two of our most esteemed board members, Sewang Namgyal and Joe Woods, who have been making several trips to the various communities and have spearheaded so many programs for the Tibet Fund board to consider. I've had the great honor of serving as chairman of the board for the last 20 years. And about, I think it was about 5 years ago, we celebrated our 30th year of service to the Tibetan community. And we decided to do a strategic plan. And we got these two very, very bright guys from Yale to come, and they talked to us initially. And at the end of our initial conversation, I said, you know, in the old days, if you did a strategic plan, you might do like a 5-year plan. But these days, things are moving so fast that you can only really plan for maybe 1.5 years or 2 years out. And they said, that's exactly right. And I said, having said that now, I want to say that what we're interested in is a 50-year plan. I want to know what the children of Tibetans living in exile now, their children and their grandchildren, and maybe their great-grandchildren, what are they going to know about being Tibetan? What is that even going to mean? Will they identify with it? And with what will they identify? That's our goal, is that 50 years from now, Tibetans will still be Tibetan. They will still have a vital culture and tradition that will benefit the world. And that's our mission. So these kind of programs, revitalizing the communities, trying to figure out ways of getting jobs and work for the 20-year-olds in the communities so that they all don't move to Toronto and become dog sledders or something. This is our goal, and that's the goal of this afternoon. And again, thank you, Sewang La, thank you, Jola, and thank you all for coming.
Hi, hold on, Mikila. Yeah. Mikila is a major philanthropist himself and also a producer of a recent documentary called The Last Dalai Lama, which is, I encourage everyone to watch it. It's currently going through the Oscar nomination process.
And 120 other movies were
But so if there's any way you can have some influence in any vote, definitely. But I would definitely encourage you to watch it. And thank you again, Mikila, for attending us. Yeah.